everyone, today I have animal alphabet for the kids. It has 26 different animals. It's adjustable for 3 plus age. It's a box which you can find the alphabet and the game when you can play with your kids. There are 26 very beautiful, good quality animals. Your children can learn the animals, their letters. You can play different other games. It's a perfect purchase for the gift to your friends. I think it's a good I think your children will like it, and I highly recommend this. I think your children will like it, and I highly recommend this.